If you want to quickly design a presentation without much effort, then you might want to consider using the available templates in Google Slides. So I'm over here on the home page of Google Slides, and what I'm going to do is you can see that on the top there are some templates that I can choose for wedding, for portfolio, for big idea, and so forth. But if I were to go to template gallery, you can see that there's different templates that I can choose from as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around. Let's say I'm going to go for the wireframe project template right here. So once I click on it, what happens is that it'll load up that template as a new file. So all of the different slide designs are actually here. There's some document add-in over there as well. So what you can simply do is you can double click over here and replace it with your content. Let's say, for example, I'm going to type in welcome to TutorTube, just like this. So I'm just going to type in welcome to TutorTube, and here I'm going to type in lessons at your convenience, just like this. And once I do that, I can go around and over here I can type in contents and change around the content as per what I like. So I can go around, replace the pictures, I can go around, replace the icons and so forth in the template, and delete out the slides that I don't need, or I can copy out the slide. I can duplicate out the slides that I need more and then arrange it out. So in this way, you do not need to go around and edit out individual slides according to the design you want, and this makes things a lot more easier if you quickly need to design slides. And that is how you can design slides with templates in Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.